Hello stroke survivors. In this video, learn very simple, very practical, very effective full body exercises that you can do at comfort of your home. Remember, stroke is a very long-term process. I know when you are bedridden or else when you've just recovered, you need help of a physiotherapist. But if you are in the later stages of your stroke, you should not stop doing your exercises. Simple workouts and simple exercises can make magic to your recovery. Remember, your brain underwent damage. Your neurons needs rewiring. And the more exercise you do, the more rewiring will happen. So in this video, we are here to help you to do some simple yet very effective exercises which will cover your entire body. So let's get started. So friends, let's first start with simple breathing exercise. In order to do this, place your hands on your stomach. Close your eyes and observe your breathing. Make sure when you breathe in, your tummy should go out, and when you breathe out, your tummy should go in. We will do this for 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will start with the first exercise, which are simple neck movements. Here all you need to do is first bend your neck forward and then look up in your able range. We are going to do this for 10 counts. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10 and relax. Let's move on to the next neck exercise where you are going to turn your neck side to side. We are going to do this for 10 counts again. Turn your neck to one side and then to other side. Turn and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. The third neck exercise is neck side bends. In order to do this, you have to bend your neck to one side and then to other side. We are going to do this for 10 counts. Let's get started. Bend and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. So after completing this neck exercises, it's turn to do spine movements. The first spine movement that you will do is bending your spine to one side and then to other side. We are going to do this for 10 repetitions. So hang your hands on side. Come little bit on the edge of your chair. And now bend side to side. 1 and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. Now let's move on to the next exercise, which are spinal twist. In order to do this exercise, hold your hands front. And now try to twist your spine side to side. We are going to do this for 10 counts. Let's get started. 1 and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. Now it's time to do exercise for your shoulders. The first exercise that you're going to do is lifting your hands up and then bringing it down. We are going to do this for 10 repetitions. Let's start. Raise your hands up and then come back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. Now the next movement is called as caption. For this, you have to hold your hand from your wrist and then in the cross pattern, you have to lift your hand up and down. So let's do this 5 counts for left hand and then 5 counts for the right hand. Let's get started. Lift your hand up and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you are trying to take your hand from one hip and towards the opposite shoulder. Let's do it on the other side. Hold your hands and then lift your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can match your speed depending on your abilities. It's okay if you start slow, but as you practice, it will start getting better. The next exercise is moving the arms out and in. Make sure your elbows are touching to your body. And now you are just moving your hands out and then in. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and relax. Now let's move on to the wrist exercise. Now what will happen in stroke, your wrist will be fisted and it will be difficult for you to open your hands. So first thing what you're going to do is, with the good hand, you will be opening your thumb. Then slowly with the good hand, you will be opening your fingers. Now cross your fingers and then bend your wrist backward and then come back. We'll do this for 10 counts. Let's start. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10 and relax. So now it is the turn to do leg exercises. The leg in which you can see the white strap tied up, consider that is the affected leg or is the leg which has got stroke. Now we have to make sure that while walking out, you do exercises for both the legs. But you have to be a bit careful with the affected leg as it is weaker. So the first exercise that we will do is, we will spread our legs as far as we can. And now we will shift the weight from one side to other side. And we will do this exercise for 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now the next exercise after this will be raising the heels up and then putting down. Raising the other heel up and then 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, and relax. The next exercise, you will try to lift your leg and bend the knee. First, you will do it on the affected leg. So lift your leg and bend the knee and then come back. 1 and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, and relax. Now, in order to exercise for the good leg, where the weight has to be placed on the affected side, take support with the hand, or else you can stand with the support or take somebody else's help. And now we will lift the non-affected leg up and then down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. Now the next exercise is foot exercise. Here you have to try to pick up the pebbles or any pieces of paper and then spread it or keep it on the other side, as you can see in this video. You will do this for 10 to 15 repetitions. Once you have sorted them, you will bring them back again. So friends, this was a full body exercise regime that you can do at comfort of your home. Make sure to try them out. But remember, if you are facing any of the challenge in doing any of these exercises, feel free to reach out to us so that we can help you out to overcome your health challenges. On that note, we will end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.